Sí, Sofía, sí. Ese va.
Hey foodies, and welcome to Playa del Carmen. I am so excited. This adventure has been a lot of fun, and my best friend Ashley is showing me around. And what we decided to do is to get some fresh fish and to just make a couple of really simple side dishes. So she's brought me to this cool fisheria or fish store called El Dorado. So I'm sure it's a play on the word El Dorado. And what's really neat about this particular place and all the places nearby in this part of the city is that they're all local businesses. So of course, when you are a tourist, it's always very helpful to not only spend your money locally, but to contribute to the currency and commerce that goes into the city so that everyone can have a good living wage and keep things moving. And what's really nice about this particular place is if you find yourself without a full kitchen, they will actually cook the fish for you. And so just based on time and a couple of other issues, we decided to have them cook up the fish for us, and they've done a fantastic job. So as you can see on the board here, they have, or the menu rather, they have a lot of options, and I've got mojara, and that is a local fish to Chiapas, which is a neighbor city to Playa del Carmen. So it's a fresh caught organic fish, wild caught, and I'm really excited to try it out. So after this, we're gonna head to a couple of other tiendas to get some fresh ingredients. I'm thinking of making a salsa to go along with this. Let's see how it works out.
Hey foodies! So as you can see, we have our finished dish, and it is quite a dish at that. So when you're going local, it's one of the best things you can do when you go to places like Mexico, for example. So again, I'm in Playa del Carmen, right outside of Cancun, and today was an amazing day. I had such a great time just adventuring around with my best friend Ashley. She helped me find a local fisheria. And so again, we have mojarra, and that's a fish that's actually local to Chiapa, but they're able to fare it over this way, and it's a really nice white fish. It's kind of like grouper, very, very meaty, which is what I like. So let's take a taste, shall we? I'm excited. Just dive into those bits of fish with this fresh pico. Oh wow. What was really cool about this place is that they will fry the fish for you, and that happened to be convenient. The building I am in currently actually lost some water, so I was just worried about not being able to get things done on time, so I was really grateful, and they did an excellent job. It's full of flavor already, but that fresh salsa over the top just really makes all those flavors peak. At the same time, not overshadowing the flavor of the fish. It's really good, light and flaky, perfect, great fried fish. So if you ever have access to mojarra, hope I'm saying that right, mojarra, get some. It's delicious fish. It's so good. So we paired it with some simple rice and refried beans, some very simple flavors. And my favorite, plantains. It's a party, that's for sure. Thank you so much for joining me on this adventure today. Again, if you're digging what you're seeing, do not forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget to hit that bell so whenever I put up some new videos, you'll make sure you're in the loop. And yeah, eat local. It's worth it. Until next time, hasta luego.